The Rock Academy is participating in an international competition for rock robotics. We're talking to Headmaster Scott Marshall this morning about these fabulous kids and how proud he is. So thanks for coming.
Well, thanks for having us. We're very excited to be here and also represent San Diego in this international competition.
The only school to represent San Diego
right,
in the entire county.
Right, we're the only school in San Diego and one of 4 teams from here all the way to Los Angeles who have qualified for the World Championships. That
is very cool. So what is Rock Robotics? Can you kind of break it down for us? I know we have something that's happening over here.
Well, it's integrating science and technology to create a robot, as you see right there, which competes with teams all over the area.
This is something that's really good for students to learn at a young age, and these kids are all relatively young, so why do you think it's so important?
Well, you know, with the push with science and technology, our school is committed to having high academics, and especially in the area of science and technology, math, science, and technology.
Yeah, it's certainly very important, especially in this day and age. Let's talk to some of your standout students. Who do we have here today?
Sure, we have Jose, we have Matthew, right?
Okay, hey guys.
Hi,
so tell us about your robot down here.
Well, our robot that is out there is the first ever in our division, FTC, to have the swerve drive, which allows us to rotate in any direction at any given time.
And how did you come up with this?
Well, we watched a lot of videos of the division above us, and our 2 co-builders worked a lot to build that. It took them over 3 months just to build one of those.
Okay, so what did you enjoy the most about interacting with your classmates and doing something like this, and then now representing San Diego in this competition?
It's been pretty amazing. You know, I just love hanging out with all my friends out here. It's almost like a sport, and I've just really loved just, you know, getting closer and learning a lot about robotics and stuff that we didn't know before.
Do you want to do something involving technology in the future?
Maybe. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Time will tell. It seems like you guys are pretty good at it. All right, so tell me about this competition. When did they take off?
Well, the exciting thing about this competition, there are over 25,000 students who competed to get to this level, and we're one of 124 teams that qualified. There were 2,500 teams that qualified. So we leave tomorrow morning to fly over to St. Louis and start our competition.
Very cool. Okay, I feel like we need to see more of the robot. This is the whole reason that they're heading to the competition.
Right,
and so they're working it from over here. You can see that they have 2 controllers. So remote control is just kind of like a video game. So how are you making it move?
I'm the operator. I'm the person that does all the arms and stuff to grab rings and actually do all the intricate stuff. He's the one that does the more kind of complex and I guess brutal drivetrain.
Okay, so it takes 2 people. So what are you doing over here?
I'm actually moving the robot around. I'm the one that gets it to the place where it needs to be, basically. He's the one that scores for us, and so we work as a team, and we gotta have a lot of teamwork to be able to do this. Otherwise, we'll pretty much fail at it.
Very cool. Well, we're very proud of you guys. Thanks so much for coming today and sharing. And I don't want to get hit by the robot, so I'll move. But thank you so much for coming today. There's the information on your screen. Head to their website, therockacademy.org, to learn more information about their school and to show your support in any way that you can. Thank you so much for coming today, guys.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
All right, San Diego Lemmy's coming right back.